All right, everybody, we have something very, very cool to show you today that I'm really excited about. These parts just showed up from MX Tech. They're for the 790, 890 Adventure and the Norden 901. And I'm going to start with this shock right here because this thing is absolutely dripping in typical MX Tech fashion trickness. Everything on this thing, no stone is unturned, nothing is untouched. Really impressed with this shock. If those of you who don't know, MX Tech kind of rose to fame by really kind of perfecting the PDS shock in such a way that they actually add progressiveness to the valving and some speed sensitive features inside here. And Jeremy told me there's actually 3 pistons inside this body that help with cooling, they help with speed sensitive things and position sensitive things and stuff that's way beyond my pay grade, I can tell you that. But this shock right here is I mean, imagine how this is going to look on an 890. Just how beautiful this thing is right here. I mean, this thing is pretty wild. So they've got this remote adjuster for the preload right here. And what's really cool about this is that there's 15 millimeters of travel on this, where stock has got 10. So there's 50% more travel on the preload, which is really neat. And I'm guessing these little spacers right here are wound on to basically set the preload adjuster in the right spot for your weight and spring rate. But they've got this remote adjuster here. Now this goes on the stock passenger peg mounts right here, and they give you some pieces to where if you're still running the passenger pegs, you can run these 2 washers, and if you're not running them, you run these cones that go over and pin this thing on there nice and cleanly. And they've got on this thing, which is very cool, they've got low speed, high speed, and a mid-speed valve right here. And the mid-speed valve is designed to act as a buffer between the two, and they all have different circuits in the way they operate in here. And it just gives you an immense amount of control over this bike, especially with a PDS type bike. So very excited about this thing. It's absolutely beautiful. Rebound is down here, and in true MX Tech fashion, they also have a little bit of humor on there where it says open a can of whoop ass, which I absolutely love. So this shock is currently available for bikes that only have the Rottweiler intake. Now they do have they do have a model that's coming out in a couple months for that'll fit the stock airbox, but right now we have 3 of these available. So if you got to have one right now and you're running a Rottweiler airbox, we have 3 of these left. They're $28.99 and they are absolutely beautiful. So I don't think you can go wrong with MX Tech. Everybody raves about them. We're really excited to be repping these soon, and if you want one right now, we've got them. Okay, now we're going to have a look at their drop-ins, and these are honestly some of the nicest drop-ins I've seen for these forks. I mean, it's MX Tech, so everything they do is beautiful. So we're going to start with the top here. They have basically a compression adjuster and your air bleed right here. Those work off the exact same tool that sets all your compression and rebound on the shocks, as well as your rebound on the bottom of this drop-in as well. Now, before I move on, I'm going to talk about the fact that these are rally length. So I've asked them for rally length. They'll send them that way. We stock them in rally length and stock R length. Now, the stock R forks will extend to rally length. They have enough stanchion tube in there to do that, no problem. You can get them custom made in between, and it's probably just it's just some spacers internally here, but that's going to take them a bit longer to get to you. So if you wanted something in between there, you can get it. But starting at the top, we obviously have our compression and air bleed that we mentioned right here. And then we have our spring preload circlip right here. So they shoot to put this around the middle with all their settings. This is just above the middle. These are 3 millimeter separations right here. So that's how you set your ride height. And then right here you have what's called a shim controlled spring seat. And this has some characteristics that help with high speed movements, and they also help with like gradual stability, basically control over the entire stroke. But what's really important for me in riding in Baja is really the high speed capabilities when I hit like a baby head really fast and I need that quick movement. They've got some shims here and some looks like some ports that open up and allow fluid through there that is actually metered. So this is an interesting piece that they have right there that I don't see on a lot of drop-ins. This is their huck valve, and this will basically dive into this bucket right here on bottoming out. So they do have some speed sensitive capabilities as well on the bottom of this bucket. You can see these valves right here, or shims I should say. But when you do bottom, this huck valve right here will basically smash into this bucket, and there is some valving going on where you have like a more speed sensitive progressive bottoming capability with that. So it's a very cool design that MX Tech has, and you know, they've got some beautiful billet parts here on the bottom, anodized black, and then they have in you know, typical MX Tech fashion, they've got a titanium bolt here, and the rebound can be adjusted through this bolt. So there's a hole right there, and you can put the same tool through there and adjust your clickers there. So you can either carry this tool and it pretty much does everything on these things and the shock, or you can just carry a little Allen key, and that's all you really need to do all the adjustments. You don't need different tools. There's no flatheads. It's all basically a 4mm Allen right there. I think I said 3mm earlier. It's a 4. So that's it for these right here. If you go to rally length, just remember that you're going to have to either remove the bolt from the back of the T at the back of the brake lines if you want to run the stock brake lines. But even better, if you're running stuff like this, we highly suggest you get the Galfer rally length brake lines from us, and that way they'll be the correct length for the rally length drop-ins. So if you have put in a set of drop-ins before, you shouldn't have any problem with these. It's basically a closed cartridge. They do give you some blood fluid there, and which is really, really good. And I've got this beautiful chart that tells me, you know, it's for me, Chris Parker, 23 KTM 890 Rally, the date everything was made, all my settings. They tell me the amount of cc's I should put in each one. There's plenty in there. I mean, we got some stickers here. We've got some smaller stickers. Just it's a complete kit, and then they've sprung this for me custom. So if you order these from us when they're on our website, you'll be able to tell us your weight, your riding style, and we will valve and spring these things according to your weight and get them out fast. So that's the beauty of it all. So anyway, that is what MX Tech is offering for the 890 and 790 Adventure and the 901 Norden. In terms of suspension, this stuff is awesome. It's going to be a slightly cheaper price point than the Pro components, and probably some better technology. So highly recommend this stuff. I can't wait to try it. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys think of it as well.